Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that you can do with Nano Banana, some things that I've done in the recent past, that has made my workflow easier and just basically faster. So basically I just quickly dive into it. Of course, before we get started, I'd like you to like this video, subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more amazing videos like this, and of course you can drop a comment in the comment section to help to push the video to other people, right? So without talking too much, let's just get right into it. Right, so basically I have a list here of all the things that I want to do. So the first thing is I want to create a generation of a boat, and basically a boat, right? So I'll just copy this. This is the prompts, and I'll paste it. Generate a golden 3D boat icon. Right now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is, okay, first of all you have to find a way to this Gemini website. So I'll drop the link in the description box below. Once you're here, you can just paste your prompt and then change the tools, click on tools and change it to this create images. And once you've clicked on that create images, you've officially activated Nano Banana, right? So I'll also be dropping this list here. I'll convert it to a PDF and I'll drop it in the description box so that you guys will have it as a PDF file, so you can also do the same thing I'm doing if you want to practice or whatever. So I'll just click on create, right? And it's going to take a little bit of time. So create, and yeah, this is not the boat I was expecting. But it's still a boat, right? Create a golden 3D boat icon, and this is actually a golden 3D boat icon, but this is not the boat I was expecting. I was expecting like a lightning boat. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll paste the prompt back and I'll be more specific. Create a golden 3D lightning boat, right? That's what I wanted. This is still pretty good, to be honest. Let's say you're doing a flyer for like I don't know, maybe a carpenter or something. I don't know, but it's coming on now. This is what I'm talking about. Can you look at this? Can you look at how amazing this is? Just like that. So quickly we'll get into the second thing. The second thing is to turn a sketch to a realistic image. So there's this image I have of Jiraiya and a toad, right? So I'll copy the prompt. Alright, I'll copy that prompt and I'll upload the image I have. So I have basically a bunch of images that I just set aside for the purpose of this. So first of all, this is the image. It has uploaded, and I'll press paste, right? And I'll press enter. I will press enter. So by the way, this is the image I'm talking about. Excuse me. This is an image of Jiraiya and the toad. So if you've watched Naruto, you know who these characters are. So this is just like his image from his sketchbook, and I want AI to generate a live image of it. And wow, oh my god, can you look at that? Let me show you the original image. Look at the original image, right? Look at the original image, and I said turn this into a realistic photo, and boom, just like that. So that's pretty amazing. Alright, so the third thing we're going to do is we're going to change the Nigerian flag to a USA flag, right? So I'm just going to upload. This is the Nigerian flag, and then I'll say USA flag instead. And let's see what they'll do. Let's see if they'll maintain the background, the blue background. Let's see if they'll maintain the exact position of the flag and everything, and just change it to a USA flag, right? And it's ready. Wow, look at the original image here. And then look at what they did. It's pretty amazing. I mean, it's pretty amazing. You can make it any flag of your choice, Pakistan, India, Uzbekistan. I don't know why Asian countries are coming to my head, but it's pretty amazing. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a figurine using my image. So I'll just copy the prompts. I'll copy the prompts. Like I said, I'll make all the prompts available. So I'll paste the prompt and I'll upload my image. Yeah, this is an image of a mirror selfie that I took a while back, and I'll press enter. Let's see how long it will take. The prompt is pretty detailed, to be honest, and I didn't generate this prompt myself. I actually saw it online and I decided to experiment with it, and it got me a pretty good result, so I decided to share with you guys. So it has generated, so I'll show you the original image first of all. This is the original image, and boom, this is the image we've gotten right through the prompts. I don't think this is showing you the full scale, so I'll download it and I'm going to show you guys. Alright, it has been downloaded, so let me just quickly show you what it looks like. I'll go to downloads and I'll open it for you guys. Yeah, so it will be bigger. Wow, can you look at that? Can you look at this? This is crazy. This is crazy. Alright, so let's continue. Let's proceed. What's the next thing on the agenda? What's the next thing on the agenda? Alright, so the next thing is to turn a regular photo into a product shot, right? So I'll copy the prompts. I'll copy the prompt and I'm going to first of all upload a picture that I took with my phone. This is a picture of my glasses, my anti-blurry glasses, and I'll paste the prompts. I'll press enter. So these are the glasses, and I'm going to create like a product photo shoot with this image. And look at the prompts here. Like I said, all the prompts will be available in the description box. And let's see what they do. Let's see what they create. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. Like, do you understand the applications? Like, you can just take a picture of any object in your room or wherever you are, and you can use it for a design. They can refine it. You can change the angle, you can change the position, you can change the background. This is amazing, bro. Instead of like going for hours looking for the perfect image online, you can literally take a picture with your phone, prompt it, and it will give you what you want. Like, that is crazy. So we're going to try the same thing again, but this time we're going to use a cucumber. I'm going to use a cucumber instead. So let's try it. So we'll paste it and use a cucumber. And you know the amazing part, so far you can do this unlimited times. I don't know if it will be unlimited forever, but currently you can do it unlimited and you're not going to be stopped, right? So you guys should take advantage of this. Take advantage of it right now. So this time around I'm going to use a cucumber for the same stuff, and let's see what it will turn out to be. Let's see what it will turn out to be. Oh, okay, I don't really like this one. I don't really like it, to be honest. They just added a white background and shadow, but all the same, right? You can always adjust the prompt and get something better. Alright, so let's do something else. This time I'm going to use my headshots to create a full image. So I'll paste the prompts and I'll upload my headshot. I don't know if I should also add the images. I don't know if I should also add the image. I don't know if you guys want to practice with the exact images that I used, or if you want to practice with your own image, but I'll just make these images available for you guys, so you can, if you want to do the exact same things I've done, you can also go ahead and do it, right? But if you want to use your own images, that's also fine, but I'll just make it available for some of you that would want to use the same images. Alright, So yeah, this is an image of my beautiful self. I don't really like this picture, to be honest, but yeah, it is what it is. Until I get the motivation to go to the studio for another picture, I'll just be using it. Wow, can you look at this? Okay, first of all, I don't this is not what I look like at all. I'm much slimmer than this. I don't know what height this is, but I don't think it looks like the guy is taller than me. But this is amazing anyway. You can see how what I've been created. I actually specified I wanted it to be a Manchester United uniform with jeans and the sneakers and some accessories on my wrist, and that's exactly what it is. Amazing. So we'll move on to the next one, and the next one is, I'll just copy the prompt. I'll copy the prompts and I'll upload it. I'll first upload the image and I'll paste. Okay, I actually found this prompt from LinkedIn, right? And it's basically used to doodle a part of the image. So this part that is subject will change it to the book. Copy that, come here. Enter. Right, so they are going to mask out the book and change the book to a doodle. All right, so let's see what that gives us. Yeah, shimmy ya, drink, swallow. What the fuck am I singing? Can you generate quickly, please? Another reason why I like, okay, it has generated. Can you look at this? It changed the book to a doodle. Right, you can use other images and just experiment. So what I was saying is, another reason why I like Gemini AI or Nano Banana is because is fast compared to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is incredibly slow. I don't know if maybe they've updated and is now better. But back then, when I used to use ChatGPT to generate images, oh my god, it takes a lifetime. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn a daytime photograph to night. So I'm just going to write turn to night time, and we'll press enter. Let's see what it will give us. If it will be realistic. If it will be realistic, let me check one number. This is the 8th thing we're going to do. Let me just quickly copy the prompts for the 9th thing as well. Right, generating. Like I said, all the prompts will be made available, and I have now decided to also make available the exact images I used, so in case you want to do exactly what I did, right? So that will be available. I'll also make available the output, which is like the results that I'm getting. I'll download all of them and I'll make them available. Wow, can you look at this? Can you look at this? My god, this is crazy. Okay, the only thing that is a bit unrealistic is these shadows now. If it's night, okay, well, yeah, the lights will cast the shadow. So this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Quickly, let's paste in the next prompt. So for this prompt, I downloaded an image of Trump Tower, and I was like, let them change the Trump Tower to Stefan Villa, the text. Alright, this Trump Tower text, I want them to change it to Stefan Villa. So that's what I told ChatGPT to do. Let's see how accurate it will be. While that is happening, I'll copy the prompt for the last one. Right, let's see how accurate and detailed that will be. Shimmy ya. Wow, Can you see that? Can you see that? Stefan Villa. Wow. They changed Trump Tower to Stefan. Oh my god. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Alright, so let's go for the last one. This last one, I'll just upload a logo, PSG logo, and I'll tell them to use it to generate a mock-up for a water bottle, and we'll see what they come up with. We will see what they come up with. Right, so far I hope you guys have had fun. I hope you've learned stuff. I hope you've gotten ideas that can, that have pushed your creativity to the next level, and I hope you can see how useful Nano Banana is, and I hope you start using it every single day. Right, in the meantime, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel because I'm definitely dropping more amazing content. I'd like you to like this video, comment, tell me what you learned, and tell me what video you'd like me to make next. And also share this video to other designers or other people that you think will make amazing use of this. Okay, thank you so much, and let's look at this. Wow, can you look at this? Just from a logo and a prompt, we've gotten a mock-up. Amazing. So we basically come to the end of this video, to the end of this challenge, and I hope you guys have learned a lot. I hope you've learned a lot. I hope this video has been super helpful to you. All right, thank you so much for watching till this point, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.